Welcome back guys to the channel. Today we're unboxing these solar spotlights. It's a 4-pack and they're meant to go outdoors. So you actually stick them on the ground. Here's a little picture of the design. Solar spotlight 40 outdoor. So it comes with 4 solar spotlights, 4 spikes, and 12 screws, and 1 manual in case you need to set it up. Looks like they do have warranty up to a year and how to install them. Solar powered, IP67 waterproof, durable design, heat resistant, and they also have a customer service number right there. In the box we do have the spikes for the floor, for the ground, for the dirt, and then we have these right here. It looks like they go together with the spikes, and it looks like they're used to adjust LED lights, solar LED lights. So let me get everything out and let's see what else is in there. Get in the box, we actually get 4 solar lights. They come individually wrapped on this styrofoam, so you just have to remove that. You get 4 spikes, 4 screws, and a user manual. As you can see, they are waterproof, so they're meant to be outside, and you can adjust the spikes with this right here. And it looks like they have a warranty card from Biling, the manufacturer, and some info for them. So let's see if we can set them up. So to get started, you would grab this arm right here, and then you would get the spike. The spike would go here, actually on the opposite side, and then once you put it together, you can put up the light at the other end. So that's what it looks like. And then you can actually, if you don't want to use the spike and you want to put it on a wall, mount it on something, you could always use these screws and mount. This is the top part where the light sits. So the light sits right here. It would sit like this, and then you can actually mount this on a wall or on wood or something like that where you would want it to mount it permanently. And then you could always adjust the bottom and the light, or put it on the floor with the spike. This is what they look like, the solar lights. Like I said, this arm is adjustable, so you can adjust them at your preference. That's what they look like. And then the light itself, this is what it looks like. So that's the solar panel on the top, the LEDs on the front, and then it actually has a power button right here in the back, so you can actually turn them on. It looks like they're already pre-charged, so they're already giving us LED, and then all you have to do is turn them on. I mean, I think that's convenient. So it looks like you have 2 modes, so like one bright mode and then a softer mode. So you can turn them off in case you don't want them to trigger or turn on. And there we go. Easy setup. Stick them in the ground, adjust them as you wish. Alright guys, so that's what they look like installed. So we're actually pointing it to the front of the house. They're gonna illuminate the house right there in the front, and then one's actually facing the doorway that way, so hopefully it gives us some light. And then we can obviously move them after we see them on to see how much light they're actually providing. So this is what I get as I walk out of my home. The 3 LEDs are on, the 4 LEDs I mean, and they're actually pointing to the front of the house, and they're giving us some good light. And then let me see if I can adjust them a little bit. So right now, let me walk backwards, and that's the lighting that's giving us with those LEDs, and we can adjust them if we want to send more light to one direction. But they have nice powerful lights, LEDs. As you can see, you can almost see the whole front right there in the front. And let me see if I'll adjust them real quick. This is the low setting on them. So right now it's on low setting, and before it was on the high setting. So it's barely spring, but the tree's kind of dead still. It's in the high settings now, and I'm pointing it more to my doorway, so it's giving us a good light so that we can actually use our keys and open the door when it's pitch black. So overall, very good. Hopefully this video helps you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.